are grandmas for? Grandmas are for stories about things of long ago. Grandmas are for caring about all the things you know. Grandmas are for rocking you and singing you to sleep. Grandmas are for giving you nice memories to keep. Grandmas are for knowing all the things you're dreaming of. But most importantly of all, grandmas are for love.
Students, I think you all are familiar with the word grandma. Your grandma is your grandmother, right? Grandma can be a paternal or maternal. Paternal grandma is our dadiji, right? And maternal grandma is our naniji. Maternal means mama's mother. So we says to mama's mother naniji. So this poem is all about our dadiji and naniji. This poem is for our lovely grandma. Now students, I want to discuss with you what our grandmas do for us. Grandmas always take care of us, tell different stories, moral stories of their past times, means their childhood stories. She loves you a lot, dance and sing with you, right? Makes lots of fun with you, and we too enjoy with our grandma. So this poem is all about what the grandma do for their grandchildren. So let us begin our poem. The name of the poem is What Are Grandmas For? Now let us start to read. Grandmas are for stories about things of long ago. Grandmas are for caring about all the things you know. Let us see the first two lines. Grandmas are for stories about things of long ago. Means this line is saying that our grandma tells us many stories. Which stories she tells us about? She tells us about things of long ago. Means she tells us stories of her past, of her childhood stories to us, so that we come to know how things were happening on those days, how were those earlier days, how was she spent her childhood. तो हमारी दादी या नानी हमें अपने समय की कई खूबसूरत कहानियाँ हमें बताती है। वो अपने बचपन में कैसी थी, कैसे खेलती थी, कैसे उस टाइम पर क्या क्या होता था, क्या खेल होते थे, वो अपने पास्ट टाइम की सब कहानियाँ हमसे शेयर करती है. You can see in the picture how kids are listening carefully. How is the grandma telling stories to her grandchildren? Now let us see the next line. Grandmas are for caring about all the things you know. This line tells us grandmas always take care of her grandchildren. All about the things you know means she knew that all the things about us, about their grandchildren, as she is very old and have a lots of experience of all the things, like about your habits. If her grandchild is not well, then what to do, what that time, all the things she knows. हमारी दादी को हमारी सारी जानकारी होती है. वो हमें क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं, हमें क्या सही है और क्या गलत वो सिखाती है. वो हमें गाइड करती है. अगर हम बीमार पड़ गए तो उस टाइम पर बिना घबराए कैसी केयर लेनी चाहिए ये उसे पता होता है. तो ऐसी हमारी दादी होती है. तो अभी हम नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट पेज. Now students open page number 27. Grandmas are for rocking you and singing you to sleep. Grandmas are for giving you nice memories to keep. Grandmas are for knowing all the things you are dreaming of. But most importantly of all, grandmas are for love. Now, students, let us see first two lines. Grandmas are for rocking you and singing you to sleep. It means grandmas always dance with you. Rocking you means gently moving somebody backward and forward for or from side to side. It means in a simple language we can say dance with you. She dance with you. Rocking means she dance with you, play with you. She makes lots of fun and do lots of things with you. And singing you to sleep. It means when sleeping time for the good sleep of her grandchildren, then she sing a song for them. She recite poems so that you can have beautiful sleep at night. Okay, now let us see next line. Grandmas are for giving you nice memories to keep. Students, here grandmas gives us lots of things, right? She spend lots of time with you, so whatever she does for us, that all memories with her are to keep with us. We should keep it in our mind to love our grandma forever. So now let us see next lines. Grandmas are for knowing all the things you are dreaming of. Here, grandmas are always aware of all the things which we do in the whole day and what we are dreaming of at night as well. And students, have you experienced on the next morning she is always ready to listen your dreams as well by showing her interest in it, right? So she knows all the things you are dreaming of because she knows your whole day, how you spend all the day. Whatever we see on the whatever we spend whole day, we see in our dream as well, like the same things. Okay, so she knows whatever you dreaming of. Last two lines are very important, but most importantly of all, grandmas are for love. The last line is telling us that grandmas are for love as she gives us lots of time. She is the one who always come to help us and saves us from our parents, right? When they are scolding us, right students? So these all things show us her love on behalf of us, how our grandmas love us. Okay, now I hope you understood this poem very well. Okay, now let us start to solve our exercises. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Here you have to complete the grandmas are for stories. You have to complete these blanks with the help of this poem. Read the poem, learn it, and then you can complete it. Okay, now question number 2, answer the following questions. What type of stories do grandmas tells us? Here students, grandmas tells us stories of her past, of her childhood stories to us, right? Now students, let us see the next page. Here now students, open page number 28. Question number B, what are grandmas most importantly for? Here most importantly grandmas are for love. Now let us explore, why do you think grandparents know about many things? I think students, our grandparents are old, right? So they have lots of experience in their life. They have lots of experience of all the things. That's why they know about many things. Now students, here one example is given for you. Ajit always takes his grandparents out for walk. He also joins them if they go out to buy something. Do you think Ajit's actions are correct? And second one is, how do you spend time with your grandparents? Here let us discuss about Ajit's action. Here I think Ajit's actions are correct, because we should always help to our elders. We should, they do, our elders do so much for us, right? So we should always give respect, we show kindness, we should take care of our elders. It is our turn to help them, right? So we should take them out for walk, and whenever they go for the shopping, then we should help them. We should also join to them and help them to carry their bags. Now students, how do you spend time with your grandparents? Here you have to write 5 points. 5 points you should write over here in your notebook, okay? And click photos and share it on WhatsApp. Now let us do fun time. What would you like to gift your grandma on her birthday? Draw and color it. Here I can help you students. Here you can make greeting for her, or give flower to her, right? Or whatever available from your garden, you can make a small bouquet for her. Or you can write small poem for your grandma. And very important thing is students, our grandma doesn't expect from us any expensive gifts. You should not spend lots of money to give gifts. You can make handmade gift and give it to your grandmother, so it will bring a lot of joy, lot of happiness to your grandmother. Now students, I hope you understood this poem very well, and this exercises as well. So do it as soon as possible, and learn this poem, read it and learn it properly. Okay, thank you students.